again. Pull it up and play it again. Balance it. Stop it. Let it out. Stop it. Let it out. Here we go on now. Chin. Chin, here we go on now. See? We not condone no violence but no female. You understand? Every human being is an entity by themselves. Some man act like you them are minding people that they own them. Woman is not an item.
Condolence
it's not
general,
a thing, brother. It's a human being. It inhale and exhale by itself. Think for itself. It have perspective and thoughts for itself. You understand? So if you're the female now work out, leave the female alone. And females, please be independent. You understand? Because when you're not independent, you lose. You become dependent. And you have to understand the majority of them money are broken individual. They just create one persona. Yes. And I live through them persona. Them persona become the soundtrack of them existence. Yes. So a youth will never hear say nobody love him before him get a Benz and get a position at the work. The Benz and the position become the soundtrack of him existence. But he's a broken individual. He stand up behind it. The pretty clothes them and the big chain and the Benz. So you see, once you ramp with the Benz and ramp with that, the thing that when find love true, hurt you.